Welcome to Wekeza. We're thrilled to have you join our global community of investors building real wealth. After your brokerage account is approved, 3 onboarding emails will land in your inbox. First, your official Wekeza welcome and account setup. Second, a note from ChoiceTrade, our global brokerage partner, opening the door to investing in over 3,000 U.S. stocks and ETFs. And third, an email from Velox, our regulated custodian, keeping your funds secure, meeting global standards. While those arrive, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. We drop exclusive breakdowns of global companies with standout track records, feature financial leaders, tutorials, and more. Plus, for a free financial education course in 8 languages, visit wekeza.com. As a member, you'll also get our weekly Market Insights newsletter and invitations to investor forums with top licensed experts. We're proud to build financial security with you. Invite friends and family from your dashboard, and let's start investing. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out via email or WhatsApp. We are always here to help. Wekeza. Learn, invest, connect, prosper.